An in-ear device. So many electronics integrated in such a small space. In the future, any electronic product can be custom-made. Customers demand new models to be marketed rapidly. It is essential to keep up with this demand while reducing the environmental impact. 3D printed electronics is a fast and digital manufacturing method enabling free-form electronic products. Have a look at the latest research from Holst Centre. The process starts by coating a uniform layer of structural material. The specialized tool allows fully controlled and fast coating. With a high-resolution light engine, the material is selectively cured. Due to parallel processing, large areas can be cured at high throughputs. The uncured material is removed in a cleaning step. Highly precise cavities are left for circuitry, vertical interconnects, and placing electronic components. All components are automatically placed with high accuracy in all dimensions. Subsequently, additional layers are printed to form grooves for the conductive tracks and interconnections. They are made by filling the empty grooves and cavities with conductive pastes. Afterwards, the paste is cured to form a highly conductive electronic circuit. Reliable, high-resolution connections are realized using this method. The building process is then repeated to finish the product. This fast and digital manufacturing method enables free-form electronic products that cannot be achieved using the current production methods. Custom-made products become possible for consumer electronics, automotive, and other industries. Contact us to find out how we can help you.